is David Gardner. I will be teaching Biology 1 at Renaissance Academy, and I am a new teacher. I have considered becoming a teacher since I was in high school. I've worked with youth for over 10 years in voluntary capacities, and once I finished my degree in natural science, the two just came together. The opportunity to be a facilitator at Renaissance Academy gives me the opportunity to not only start in a new school with a new career, but it also gives me the opportunity to work with students in a way that I wish I had had teachers work with me when I was in high school. The thing I'm looking most forward to about teaching here at Renaissance Academy is the collaboration and teamwork that the students will be involved in. The opportunity to present them with work that they work on frees me up to work with them individually in small groups and to provide differentiation to each of the students. I think the coolest thing about teaching at a new tech school and being a facilitator is the fact that the students are working together and I have the opportunity to work with them in small groups instead of the traditional setting where you have a lecture and you have potentially 35 students just sitting there taking notes. This gives the students hands-on opportunities and allows me to interact with them where they are in their learning. I love the name Renaissance Academy for a new school, and it reminds me of the period of history in which there was a lot of science and art advances. The name pretty much says it all when you look at it from that standpoint. It's an opportunity for the students to advance their knowledge in a new and different direction. Project-based learning is real-world action. When you work in a job or career, when you go to college, you spend a lot of times working with colleagues, building different projects. You have to be able to not only work together but solve problems together. You spend a lot of time doing research, and project-based learning encompasses all of those aspects to allow students to begin learning now what it's like in college and career instead of being shocked by it after they graduate. I do lots of different things in my spare time. I have some volunteer work that I do. I have my 6-month-old son that keeps me very busy. And I also like to go to movies, eat out. My wife and I, we do a lot of different things. People would be surprised to know that I enjoy hunting and fishing, that I like to camp and do outdoor activities.